Bleed Matchers. Welcome to the Ghost Warriors family. We are now celebrating the 5th monthsary. Let me introduce the captain, co-captain, admins, and all members. Let's start with the captain. Captain Lovey.
Hi, I'm Novi from Ghost Warrior family. Gusto mo ba na kilig na may konting kaba? Mag-jowa ka ng may asawa.
Ako'y tinamaan, puso'y tinamaan, sadyang ikaw lang ang tanging dahilan. Walang iniisip, walang nalalaman.
Co-captain Unknown.
Di lang makikita sa babayang kasiyahan, makikita mo rin sa talpakan. Besh, magtiwala ka lang pero wag kang umasa. Hindi meow.
If I told you that I've fallen, and I like the way you say my name.
Admin Ann.
Ako nga pala si Ann ng Ghost Warrior Fam, naniniwala sa kasabihang aanhin na kagandahan kung malandi naman ang kalaban.
I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
And all members. Isli, Bu, Mika,
Kay Mika mo lang malalasap ang tunay na sarap.
Esben, Hugo,
Ako nga pala si Hugo na naniniwala sa kasabihan, pangit man ako sa inyong paningin, ganon din ang aking tingin.
Tara, sumama ka sa akin at hawakan ang aking kamay. Tayo ay maglalakbay.
Veron, Zoe, Jay, Kitty,
Hey all, it's me, your kitty. Not his kitty, not her kitty, but your only kitty. Naniniwala sa kasabihan na hindi man mag-top sa rain, at least sa kanya nakapag-top. And I thank you!
What if I told you that I've fallen, and I like the way you say my name?
Natsu, Bam, and Irish.
Hi, my name is Mr. Kyle. Nag-iwan ng isang katagang kung anuhin mo ang babae kung pampalipas oras lamang. And I thank you.
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all.
Hello, hi, mabuhay. I am Liam from Ghost Warriors family. Sus, imposibleng di ako sumagi sa isip mo. Parang di mo ko sinabihan ng ang sarap mo!
Ghost Warrior, ang paulan, ibagsak nyo na yan.
Really cause, oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her.
Drop the rain. Drop the rain.
Bitin ba kayo sa paulan? Ghost Warrior, ibagsak nyo pa yan.
Zero ba ang nakuha nyo? Okay lang yan. Mga wala naman kayong jowa, ay mali. Maghintay lang pala kayo ng beat, marami pang ulan na babagsak.
Three, two, one. Raindrops.
Konting oras tumatawag ka sa number ko. Alam kung di ka mapakali, di ka mapakali, na di ako katabi mo dyan ngayong gabi. Kung sino ka man talaga, Pinoy, ikaw ay Pinoy. Ipakita sa mundo kung ano kaya mo. Ibang-ibang Pinoy, huwag kang matatakot. Ipagmalaki mo.